It seems like everyone has Mars on their mind these days. NASA wants to send humans to the red planet by 2030, and SpaceX wants to get there even sooner with the plans to have people there by 2024. Mars is the favorite theme in Hollywood, with movies like The Martian and this year's Life exploring what we may find once we finally reach our celestial neighbor. But most of them aren't addressing the biggest questions. Once we get there, how will we survive long term? The atmosphere of Mars is mostly carbon dioxide. The surface of the planet is too cold to sustain human life. The planet's gravity is a mere of 38% of the Earth. Plus, the atmosphere on Mars is equivalent to about 1% of the Earth's atmosphere at the sea level. That makes getting to the surface tricky, right? How will NASA get there? How can we hope to survive against such odds? Keeping food and medicine supplies stocked on Mars is the best way to make a self-habitat self-sustaining, but with a thin atmosphere and reduced sunlight, it can be difficult to get anything to grow. Artificial leaves have been designed to work in harsh conditions, could offer a solution for a first aid. These leaves are made up of silicone rubber, can take a little bit of sunlight and turn it into enough fuel to the necessary chemical reactions and to make medicines. When you think of astronauts on Mars, what comes to your mind? Did you picture a red planet turning green with time and continued human colonization? Unfortunately, those days are far in the future, if they even happened at all. One of NASA's first goals for astronauts is to learn how to live on the planet. Survival is the key. Only the fittest is gonna survive there. Since it differs greatly from Earth, survival is an important skill for astronauts to master. 38% of gravity, high radiation, and almost no atmosphere, and a constant fight to survive and live. Going to Mars is only for the bravest, fittest, and most curious. You still wanna go? Are you ready to take the risk?